macaroni and cheese, one biscuit, mashed potato and gravy, ice, pumpkin, cream, chai. Pumpkin, ice, pumpkin cream, chai. Very long name. From Starbucks, of course. Ice, pumpkin chai latte from Starbucks. Just to make sure I said it right. And everything else is good. KFC. Also got my spicy chicken sandwich. With my last minute dinner late at night. It does have a little bite to it. I don't know why it's a bite, but I can taste the heat. I'm spending another night with my mother. I probably should make this my office. It looks way better than my room in my house. So this should be my office. Because I can make better backdrop. Look much better. I spent a little bit more than I had to, about $28. Because I got the big mashed potato, big big macaroni and cheese, big mashed potatoes and gravy, and I had another chicken sandwich. So I bought food for the both of us. She can eat her food anytime, maybe tomorrow. I'll be eating my food tonight. This is more energy than I need, but I'll see you in my next video. KFC when you need a picker-upper in tough times. Overspend sometimes just to make you feel good. See you later, folks. Have a great evening.